In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image on a shape using Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool that helps you create stunning graphics with ease, whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, or any other kind of visual content. It's user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. So, let's dive in and explore how you can bring some added flair to your designs by placing images onto shapes. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't used it before, you can start by heading to Canva's website or opening the app if you're using a mobile device. Log in using your credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. The process is pretty straightforward. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a wide array of design options. Spend a moment to browse through these templates, as Canva offers a multitude of designs ranging from presentations and social media graphics to posters and even more specialized formats like infographics. Next, it's time to select the type of design you want to work on. Think about the specific needs of your project. Do you want to enhance a social media post, create an eye-catching flyer, or perhaps work on branding elements for your business? Once you've decided on your design template, click to open a blank canvas where the magic happens. Now, shift your focus to the left-hand panel where you'll find the Elements tab. This is your gateway to a world of shapes, graphics, and various design features that you can incorporate into your project. Click on Elements and scroll through until you find Frames. Frames are your key tool here. They'll act as the container for the images you want to insert, shaping them into various forms, like circles, triangles, and more abstract designs. Browse through the frame options until you find the one that resonates with your design vision. Once you've made your choice, click on the frame. It'll appear on your canvas, ready to have an image inserted into it. Now, let's bring in your image. Head over to the Uploads tab on the left-hand side. Here, you can either choose from images you've uploaded previously or upload a new one by clicking the Upload Files button. Select your desired image and let Canva do its thing. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the library of uploads ready to use. Grab your image and drag it over to the frame you've placed on your canvas. As you hover the image over the frame, you'll notice the frame highlights to indicate that it's ready to accept your image. Release your mouse button, and just like that, your image is seamlessly placed within the shape. And there you have it. You've successfully put an image on a shape in Canva, adding a creative touch to your design. Remember, experimentation is key, so feel free to play around with different frames and images to see what creative combinations you can come up with. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.